In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Gmail. First, open Gmail in a web browser. This step is crucial because you need to access your Gmail account through a computer for full functionality. As the Gmail interface loads, you will see your inbox filled with emails. The layout is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. You will notice various folders on the left side, such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Getting to this point sets the stage for filtering your emails effectively. Next, look at the search bar at the top of the page. Right next to it, you'll find an icon that looks like sliders. Click on the Show Search Options icon. This action opens a drop-down menu with several fields to fill out. This menu lets you specify the criteria for filtering your emails. By using this feature, you can target specific messages, which helps keep your inbox organized and manageable. You should see fields for the sender, subject, keywords, and other options. Now, enter the criteria for the emails you want to filter. You might want to filter emails from a specific sender or those that contain certain keywords. For instance, if you frequently receive newsletters, you can type the sender's email address or a relevant keyword in the appropriate field. This step is important because it defines which emails will be affected by the rule you're about to create. Once you fill in the criteria, take a moment to review your selections to ensure they are accurate. From there, click on the Create Filter button located at the bottom right of the drop-down menu. This action confirms that you are ready to proceed with your filter setup. When you click this button, a new window will appear, showing you various actions you can apply to the emails that match your criteria. This step is vital because it transitions you from setting your filtering criteria to defining how Gmail should handle the emails that meet those criteria. Next, choose what you want Gmail to do with matching emails. You can select options such as marking them as read, archiving them, or applying a specific label. Each choice affects how your emails are organized and displayed in your inbox. For example, applying a label can help you categorize emails for easier access later. Take your time to consider which options best suit your needs. This customization allows you to tailor your Gmail experience to your preferences. Finally, click on the Create Filter button once again to save it. This action finalizes your filter settings. You will see a confirmation message appear, indicating that your filter has been successfully created. This is reassuring because it shows that your changes are now in effect. Going forward, Gmail will automatically apply the actions you selected to any incoming emails that match your criteria. By following these steps, you have effectively created a rule in Gmail. This process will help you manage your emails more efficiently and ensure that your inbox stays organized. You can come back to adjust or delete filters anytime, allowing you to adapt your email management as needed. Thank you for watching and happy filtering.